Friday is 5 a.m. dash strength. So we got core. Everybody knows Friday's always core. Whenever you want to get your abs right, you can do this core consistently throughout the week, and I guarantee you'll be on point. This is the one thing you can do every day and be on point. All right, we're going to get started with 5 a.m. dash strength. Got our core, 30-second workout, 30-second break. After the first 4, the next 4 would be, next 4 exercises would be 1 minute drills or whatever. All right, let's get started. Let's get started. I'm Master Fitness Trainer Chaos with 5 a.m. dash strength. Can't get no better than this, being able to get the workout in and not be interrupted by a single soul. Let's go before your kids wake up. All you gotta do is follow along. You can pause, replay me on YouTube. Let's go. Here and here. Those are your touching points. Let's go. We got 30 seconds on this drill. Touch your hand, touch at your feet. That way you know you're reaching far enough and you're stretching out that hip. For 30 seconds. All you gotta do is follow along with me. If you don't know the drill, don't know how to do the drill, you don't want to know what next, is fine. Everything's core, but just follow along with me, I got you. Guarantee. We're gonna push through, drink water as needed. You wanna try to make sure you sip water often because you don't wanna put yourself in a position that you're drinking too much water at once. Let's go, we don't want no cramps. Touch by your hand, touch by your feet. That way you're getting good extensions. And we're not rushing through it, not making it benefit for us. Good job, good job, good job. Now we alternate. We did the left leg, we did the right leg. Now we're gonna alternate. We go left up, right up. Excellent work. Like I said, drink water. You may not be sweating, but that's not why we drink water. Drink water to oxidize the muscles and ligaments so they can do this work you want them to do. Let's go.